We're going to make my butternut squash soup recipe a favorite in our house. You're going to need 2 large butternut squashes or 6 cups, butter, water, bouillon cubes, onion powder, marjoram, cayenne, pepper, and a block of cream cheese. First thing we do is cut the butternut squash in half and place on parchment paper, cut side down. We'll roast this for 1 hour at 400 degrees. Once roasted, we will then carve out the butternut squash and place into a pot. The seeded bottoms of the squash, you'll want to scoop out the seeds first. We'll start our pot at medium heat and pour in our water and start adding all of our ingredients except for the cream cheese. Let this simmer for 20 minutes, stirring so that it doesn't scorch the bottom. Add your cream cheese. I'm lazy, so I just throw in the whole block. Use an immersion blender to blend well until creamy. And serve. Very easy and delicious.